Hello Hayes Middle School students, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at all the amazing tools that you have available to you in Notability. When you first get here to a new note, like I did with this one when I imported it from Canvas, I may want to change the name of it. And so if you select the pencil tool at the top and then you tap on the name of the file itself, you can delete what's there. Maybe you want to put your first initial and last name along with whatever other information you need. And then when you're finished, tap done here at the right and that'll pop back down again. This pencil tool, if you tap on it, you have lots of options for different sizes of pens and then different colors of pens if you swipe through to the right over here, and then you can add your own colors as well. And so maybe here in the first line, what is your whole name? If I put 2 fingers on the iPad and pinch out, I can zoom in and write my name using my finger or a stylus. Also, of course, if you want to use the text tool, maybe move where you're going to put that text up towards the top. And then if you tap on the T, you have a choice between drawing out the text box or just straight tapping on the screen. If I draw out the text box, I have a little more control over where it's going to land. And so then I can type month, day, year using my keyboard there. Please notice that I can also drag my text box around the screen and get it to the exact place where I would like to use it. And then I have some other editing tools that are there on the black bar that appears. Also up here across the top, I have a highlighter. If I want to highlight some words that are on the page, I can drag my finger or stylus over those words. And then if I don't like what I did, I can use the eraser tool to get rid of that. Additionally, if I use the scissors tool, I can take anything I've drawn with the pencil or highlighter and move it. So for instance, if I want to move what I highlighted there with pets, I can switch it over here to kind. The same is possible with anything you drew with the pen. And then of course you can drag that information around the screen. The finger tool allows you to select anything that you've added, including pictures, which you can add by tapping the plus sign in the top right corner, and then going to your photo library, telling the app that it can have access to your photos, selecting all photos, and then choosing any photo that you have saved to your camera roll. You'll be able to resize that photo and drag it around the screen as needed. Additionally, up here in the corner, you can switch the paper that you're using, whether it's the background color, or maybe you need lined paper, or a grid, or a dot matrix of some sort. Also in that menu, you have the option to view as seamless, so that when you scroll down the page, there's no break here between the pages. If you pick single page, it zooms out and shows you each individual page in whole. Another useful tool, although not as much for a note like this one that's only a single page, if I tap on the double rectangle there at the right, I can move through the multi-page document in a more fluid manner. And then if I tap on the 3 dots here in the bottom left page, I'm able to delete, clear, copy, cut, or add a page as needed. A couple more tools here across the top. This microphone tool here in the middle right allows you to record yourself and explain your notes. I do want to point out that that only stays here inside of Notability. If you hand in this document in Canvas, your audio recording will not come with it, but you do want to let it have access to your microphone. And so then now you can see in the top right there that it's recording me as I talk. So I'm going to stop that. And then you can see the file here and do other editing with it as needed. Additionally, there's an undo arrow here in the middle top left. And so if I tap to undo, I can tap and hold to show redo or simply undo if I need to. If I back out of this note, and so in the top left over here, one of the things we have is a plus sign, and I'm able to add additional subjects to my app here so that I can be more organized with my notes. And so for instance, maybe I need a math subject, and maybe I need a reading, and so on and so forth. And then if I tap edit at the top left, I can drag and drop these into any order that I want. Similarly, if I tap on the name of a note, I can then edit its name from right here in the note index. So I'll uncheck that for now and tap done. If you press and hold on the picture of the note, please notice that then you can drag and drop it into one of your subjects. And if you press and hold on the name of a note, the option to duplicate that note pops up. In the next video, we'll learn how to turn a note back into Canvas for one of our assignments. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.